how to enable or disable Encrypt Offline Location on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on your account profile. Now in here, go down, then tap on the Samsung Find. Next, tap on the More button, then tap on Settings. In here, we go down and then tap on Encrypt Offline Location. And then go to your device and tap on the toggle button to turn on or switch off Encrypt Offline Location. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.